These are the eucalyptus leaf. From this we are extracting the oil.
Welcome to MMB News. Here is a very interesting and useful news for all who are interested in learning and gaining knowledge. As science experiments and practicals are very useful for school education, here you may find a brief practical knowledge of extracting eucalyptus oil from eucalyptus leaves. We are presenting the wonderful practicals of DHS school students. Hope this will be more helpful for students and all to gain practical knowledge of how to extract eucalyptus oil from its leaves. We hope you have subscribed and follow our channel. And if yet you have not done it before, subscribe and follow our channel, and don't forget to like and share. Let's see the wonderful process of making eucalyptus oil.
This procedure, we are doing it here to get the knowledge for the students. Here in this Dawn High School, we are trying to give the practical knowledge for all the students who are studying in this Dawn High School. So this procedure, like this procedures, we will be doing continuously. You can look around all the labs. We have a very good laboratory designed here in this Dawn High School. We don't find in another at the school level. At the school level itself, we are giving the practice. We actually give the practice for the students, as well as we are giving the knowledge how they are made for that one. This is good to learn, because in their future they can get this knowledge and they can use it, these things in their higher studies. When they go to the higher educations like pharmacy, engineering, medicine, there also they are going to do all these things to gain this knowledge. We are giving this knowledge at the basic level itself, right, for the students, so that they can learn some more things and they can use this knowledge and to develop some more new things or new devices like these things. And this thing we started here in the school because of mainly we are having a science fair very soon. So for that one we are extracting these things. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Riya Fatima. We are from Dawn High School, students of class 9. This is our science laboratory. We will do experiments here and practicals also under the supervision of Dr. Sushain. Here we are all together for the experiment of to observe. These are the eucalyptus leaf. From this we are extracting the oil. Now we will see the procedure step by step. Let's come and start from the first step.
First, we have to wash the leaf, and we have dry it, and we have to cut it 1 to 2 centimeter. And now we will go to next step.
For the next step, we are going to grind this leaves for getting a powder so that we can extract the oil from it. Now let us grind it and go for the next step.
So we are going to grind these leaves. Now we can check the powder of these leaves. Must smell. Now we have to receive the powder of the leaf on here. This is round bottom flask, and and it is containing the distilled water. We have to pour the powder leaves inside it.
Now we have to arrange this for distillation for oil.
Okay girls, now we have reached the last step of this one. You have done very well, good job girls. Now we are going to assemble this one, this round bottom flask. It contains the leaf and the oil, and then this is called as distillation apparatus, and this is a heating mantle which heats up the, we have to wipe out the water is there, otherwise, so wipe out all the water from this one, because this electric heating mantle So if water goes inside, obviously it should be, yeah, you will get electric shock. Now after drying it, put it on this one and we can start switching on this one. You can see there's a degree stand, 20, 30, like that. We can switch on this one until the 100 degrees. You have to heat it until 100 degrees. And then this is called as this is the one which distillates it. This is called as distillation apparatus, or this particular part is called as Clevenger's apparatus. After the name, scientist name, his name is Clevenger, right? So he designed this one to collect the distillated oil as well as whatever it is distillating. So we will be arranging like this. You put this particular part, clean this one. There shouldn't be any of the dust particles, so that they will leave the gap, air gap, right? This is an airtight one. If it is possible, you can apply some grease also to this one, so that the pressure cannot go inside. You will be arranging like this. It's tight, I hope. Okay. Now we will be putting putting this clamp, so that because of the weight, no, this weight, this might break this neck. So to make that hold it, you can take a this retort stand and a clamp here, and then it starts boiling. Then we have to leave the water here, right? This particular part is called as condenser. What it will do, after boiling, when it starts boiling, the fumes will start moving into this one, into this jacket, and this column. When it comes to this column, they will condense. This is called as condenser, which we open the tap. You can see water column, right? See, water is going up. So water has to go in an upward direction. It should not come from there. Water should travel from this side, go up, and then come out. In this way, what happens, the water will cool this condenser. So water should go from the bottom and come to the top. So water is circulating. Now this will heat up. After this is heating up, we will get the fumes going up, the water vapor. Water vapor will carry the oil. I think you have seen the previous extraction. It will go up, condense it here, and it will drop it down here. Then we will collect the oil. You can see the oil here. So today we are trying to extract eucalyptus oil, right? These leaves, we call that as eucalyptus. Now from this eucalyptus we will get an oil which we call it as eucalyptus oil, and this is used for as a pain relief. You might have heard these things in Zinda Tilisma, Vicks, Zendobom, Amritanjan. All these things, for what they are using, they use it for cold, so many things: cold, cough, indigestion, right, pain relief, and all the muscle pain, headache, all these things. So this is the main ingredient in these things. So we are trying to extract that oil from that one, and we are trying to make the Vicks. Only one product we are going to make it, either Vicks or Zindatis, right? And what we do is in the beginning, we will cut this one and chop that one, make it into powder, and put it in this. See that one? This is called as round bottom flask, right? So in this round bottom flask, we will fill with the water, and this process is called as hydro distillation. The method that we are using it here in this device, this whole device, the name of this device is called as Clevenger's apparatus. Clevenger is a person, is a scientist who designed this particular part, the distillation part. So this whole apparatus, we call it as Clevenger's apparatus. Now in this what we are doing is we are filling the some 200 or 300 grams of the leaves in this one, fill the distilled water, and this is called as heating mantle. So what it will do, it will heat the, you can see boiling, right? Yes. So this is called as heating mantle. When once you on this one, you can see the light will on and it will start heating up that one. Now once it started heating up, the water in this one, it will absorb the oil from these leaves and it will start evaporating. You can see the evaporating, right? Vapors are going on and it will start moving with this one. And as soon as it reaches this one, there are three parts. One is round bottom flask. This is called as Clevenger's apparatus, where the vapors will go and collect the sample. and this is called as condenser. Condenser means it will condense that vapors into the condensing, you know the condense, right? So it will condense the vapors into the liquid form, again the water, right? So that will happen in this process, right? This is very cold one, right? This is very hot. So 100 degrees, at 100 degrees it will start boiling, it vapors will go like this and it will start moving like this, and once it goes, the vapors passes this tube. It's a very thin tube with the water is coming from there. You can see the pipeline, two pipes are there, one pipeline carries the water here and it will take the return to that. Now when the vapors start moving on this one, and it will start condensing, it gets the liquid and it will start falling down. You can see the around 1 ml of the Vicks we have collected, right? Yes. So this is a procedure how even the big company people, they all will make this preparation of the Vicks or Zindatil. The more famous is these two, Vicks and Zindatil. Yes. They are there throughout the world. They can go throughout the world, and this is mainly we use it for the cold, cough, fever, indigestion, headache, painkillers. Most of the pharmacy people will be using these things. Now, this is a device not only for this one. We can make perfumes from this one. We can make a cooking oil. For example, clove oil is available. Yes. Vanilla is available. Yes. We are going to prepare that one also. And we will bring vanilla flowers or leaves. Or the leaves only mainly. We will get that one. Even we are trying to make the oils, clove oil. And also perfumes also. We will be getting some flowers. We can get the rose flowers, jasmine, all those things. The same procedure. We can do it and put it here, and we can get the oil from that one perfume, and we will be mixing some perfume like the air pressure and all these things. Attars, right? Attar or ether. एक बार गर्म हो गया तो only 10 minutes.
It's still a little more.
See, उसमें आ रहे वहाँ से गिर रहे.
Now started. The base thing, the starting point, the heating point basically.
Now it started boiling.
The heating point. When it heats, the process is just 10 minutes after that. Till it heats, the process is of 1 hour.
ऑयल आ गया, देख लीजिए. ऑयल आ गया.
इसमें कितना निकल जाएगा?
10 ml. Within 10 minutes. एक बार गर्म होना लेट है.
Can we stop the process in between?
No, it's not possible.
So the oil will evaporate.
No, we have to transfer it into the container.
If we stop it, it will evaporate. We'll not get that quantity.
No, to cool itself, it will take some half an hour.
Okay, that is.
गर्म कितना time लगते हैं? Cooling also उतना time लगते हैं. आ गया 5 ml आ गया. Only 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, everything will come. ये खोलना, ये नल खोलना. Oh, tap we will. This is called as a separating funnel. In this case, what we will do, we can have this oil along with the water, and when you fill it, first the water will come down and the oil will be slowly. When oil comes, we will be separating it into the oil container, so that you can see the oil which is coming in there.
5 seconds.